Hey guys, today I will be making a video on how to calculate 1. The area of a triangle, 2. The area of a circle, and 3. The area of a rectangle, and 4. The perimeter of a circle, and 5. The perimeter of a rectangle. Okay, so basically, first off, first let's go to the perimeter of the rectangle. So first, draw a rectangle. Okay. You guys want to see my rectangle? It's right there. You see it? Okay. Yep. And then I have my circle drawn, and I have my triangle. So draw a circle, draw a triangle, and then draw a rectangle. Okay? So after you draw those three, to measure, get an inch ruler, okay? So then I don't have one, but so what you do is, you see, wait, sorry guys. Yeah, this. So the top to the bottom, okay, from the side, is gonna be our height. So the top to the bottom, right there, is gonna be the height. So get a ruler and measure how many centimeters that is. So I'm just gonna suppose that mine is 3 centimeters. Now, you guys probably learned this. So, actually no, you didn't probably, or else you wouldn't be watching this. So, a rectangle is 2 parallel pairs of lines. So look, so if this is 3 centimeters, then mine isn't very equal, but this also has to be 3 centimeters. So that will also be 3 centimeters. I can't really write upside down. Okay, 3 centimeters. And now the top. Now do the same thing and measure measure the bottom. You see this bottom? This. Measure that from here to this point. Measure that, okay? I'm just going to suppose mine is 7 centimeters. So obviously it's 2 parallel lines. So since the bottom is 7 centimeters, the top will also be 7 centimeters. So 7 centimeters, 7 centimeters. Now in perimeter, so the word perimeter means that you add all the sides up. So add all the numbers up. So mine will be 7 plus 3 plus 3. And that is 14 plus 3, 20. My perimeter is 20. What is yours? Okay, now, actually, we will do area of a rectangle. So the area of that rectangle, area is height times width. So my height of my rectangle is 3, and my width is 7. So I multiply those. And now pretend your triangle, pretend your rectangle, the height is 8, and then your width is 6. And you do 8 times 6, which is 48. So mine is 7 times 3, 21. So basically then my area would be 21, and then my perimeter would be 20. Okay? And now we will be doing the area of a triangle. So the area of a triangle, okay? So you guys measure, you see the bottom, this point? Yeah, I can't really get it, but this point. Yep, that point, right? You see it on the triangle? Yep, right there. That point, measure that point to over here. So basically, so just to show you guys, I will draw a line from there to there. So you see the line that I drew? That's going to help us because we are going to measure from here to this line that I drew. Okay? So mine is I am estimating about 5 centimeters. So 5 centimeters. And now measure this, the bottom. So from this point all the way across to this point. Measure that, okay? Because so the area of a triangle is height times width divided by 2. So basically, the 5 centimeters for my triangle is the height, and the width is about 11 centimeters. Okay, now do yours. And now what you do is do 11 times, so I'm going to do 11 times 5, because that's my height and width. So 11 times 5 equals 55. And then as I said, it's height times width divided by 2. So I divide that by 2, so 55 divided by 2 is 27.5. So the area of my triangle is 27.5. And the perimeter of the triangle, I won't be telling you because it's the same thing. Just add all the sides up, okay? And now, area of a circle. This is the most complicated. So you see the circle right here? This is, so the radius is from here to here. So you're like, from the center to here. So draw a dot in the middle of the circle, the center, and then, so I can't really draw it in the center, but you draw it in the center. Wait, you know what? I'm just gonna draw it on another page. So here's my circle, okay? I see my circle. Yep, that's my circle. And then I'm gonna draw a dot in the center of it. You see that dot? Okay. And now draw, so like try to draw an exactly straight line. And it should pass the dot. Like look. Pass the dot, like overlap it, okay? That line is what we call the diameter. Now half of the diameter is the radius. So to calculate the area of a circle, this is what we do. To calculate the area, we do measure the diameter, which is from this end to this end. Okay, measure that. I am estimating mine is about 10 centimeters. Okay, so my diameter is 10 centimeters. Write that down. And so since my diameter is 10 centimeters, my radius is half the diameter. So my radius, so as you can see, since this line is my diameter, the radius, so the reason why I told you to draw the circle is because the radius is from the circle to over here, or the circle to over here. Okay? That's the radius. Okay? Half of the diameter. And then write down that your radius is half of your diameter. Okay. And now, so to find the area, the advanced scientific equation is area. So r, which is the radius, squared, which is radius times radius. So like if the radius is 2, then do 2 times 2. R squared times. So I would recommend if this is your first time, I would recommend a tiny circle because it gets harder if you make a bigger circle. So r squared times pi. So pi, it goes unlimited, but the first 3 numbers are 3.14. So pretend your radius is 4. So then do 4 times 4, 16. 16 times 3.14. Which if you don't know how to do, then just search it up on a calculator. So mine is 5 centimeters. My radius is 5 centimeters. So 5 times 5 is 25. So I'm going to do 25 centimeters times 3.14, which is, sorry guys. You guys can just skip the video till like I'm done. Okay guys, so the answer from my equation is 78.50. So my area would be 78.50. Now the perimeter is like the distance around. So pretend we start from, so that's a circle. Pretend we start from this point, that point. You see it? So we're gonna measure the distance all around this, okay? All around until we get back to this circle. Now, we cannot use a ruler for that because a ruler is straight. It doesn't curve all around. So what you guys can do is, so this is how you do it. So the answer to this is the diameter. My diameter is 10 centimeters. So it's the diameter times pi. So diameter times 3.14. So for me, it would be 3.14 times 10, which is so 31.4. Okay, so 31.4 is my circumference, which is another word for a perimeter. I hope you guys like this video, and make sure you like and subscribe, and bye bye.